one is what is the output of given code. So this one is called character array. Continuous memory అనేది allocate అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. Okay, so next one is what is the output of given code. This one is character array. So continuous memory అనేది allocate అవుతుంది. First character is A, next one is B, next one is C, next one is D, next E, F, G, H within the single quotes. Next one is X, Y, and then Z within the single quotes. So next one is null character 0. So starting address, array name is str. Str always gives the base address of an array 500. Next 501, 502, 503, and so on up to. Okay. Next one is what is str? 500. 500 అనేది రీప్లేస్ అవుతుంది. Percentage s prints base address 500 to up to null character. Output as మనకి A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, X, Y, Z. This is the output. Next one is str. What is str? 500 plus 4 means 504. This one is 504. ఇక్కడ మనకి 504 అనే అడ్రస్ రీప్లేస్ అవుతుంది. This prints percentage s prints 504 address to up to null character. Output is E, F, G, H, X, Y, Z. Next one is str is 500 plus 8 means 508. This one is 504, 505, 506, 507, 508. 508 is this address. This prints 508 to up to null character. The output is X, Y, Z. So ఈ కోడ్ రన్ చేస్తే అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది. So control F9, Alt F5. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, X, Y, Z, E, F, G, H, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z.